Right, in this video I will demonstrate to you how to change this brake switch. The brake switch, when you buy it online or from the original from Honda, it will come as a complete unit with this front. You have to twist it. Okay, twist, and then this can be taken out. I don't need this because it's already found in my existing old one. You can see this is the brake pedal, and there is the brake switch that need to be changed. So how do I change it? To change it, it's simple. You just twist counterclockwise and then pull out. As you can see, it's out. And then the wire, as usual, you have to sorry, a bit difficult to show to you. Yeah, you have here, you have to push, and then as usual, all wires you have to push. Hope you can see. Push this and then it will come out. So this is the new one that I want to replace. So do the reverse. Align the wire. Sorry, just for a while. I need two hands. Okay, so I managed to put the clip into the socket. Okay, and then there is here, press into it. And then turn clockwise. It's done. Okay, so now make sure you don't over screw it too down. If you do that, then the brake light will be on when you press and also let go. You want to able to have enough space where the brake light will not be on when you are not pressing the brakes. Okay, that's it. Hopefully it's helpful to you as well.